at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today I've got from Ramen Express by Chef Wu. We have their vegetarian hot and spicy chicken Ramen Express by Chef Wu. So yeah, let's do it. Hot, spicy chicken. I'm just going to take the lid off. There. Don't need that. Put this back in the microwave because I don't want any explosive action. At least that could occur and screw things up. So see, the explosions happen depending on the heat of the water initially. So if you put in like hot water, it says room temperature water. But if you put in cold water, it might not get done all the way, but it definitely won't explode. But if you put room temperature, it might. It says magic cheese. It says magic cheese. I don't know. But yeah. So I'll throw some stuff in there and make it look all pretty, and I'll give it a try. It should be groovy, I think. It's says it's 8:22 in the a.m. here in beautiful downtown Kenmore, Washington, where courtesy is contagious each and every day. Yes, the people of Kenmore never fail to amaze everyone with how nice and kind they are in parking lots, on the street, at grocery stores, when they want to go down the aisle and there's something there, and when you're at the grocery store, people never just like go, oh, let me sneak in here and just like shove you to the side and grab their own stuff. People never ever try to hit you with their car when you're walking, and yeah, nobody's ever cranky. It's amazing. It's amazing. Actually, that's a big load of crap. It's courtesy is contagious. Like people don't want it. People vaccinate against courtesy. But yeah, that's not bad. It's a nice area. But yeah. So with that, I will venture out later into the world of Kenmore, possibly over to Bothell, which is spelled like bot hell, and beyond such places are the beautiful kingdom of Kirkland, which is where Costco is from. You might know Kirkland brand. Yeah, that has to do with the town that's right there. It's within walking distance. It's a long walk, but you can get there, not too hard. And Bot Hell is that way. Over this way is Lake Forest Park. And if you go straight that way, you're in the water. You're in Lake Washington. So you don't want to do that. You really don't want to do that. On an intro video, though, that I did, I think I already used it. You can see a plane landing on Lake Washington down by Log Boom Park, which is just down the road, very much within walking distance. And that's home to Kenmore Air, which is also... It's the largest seaplane harbor in the world. Neato. Okay, we did not explode this time at 3 minutes. That's a plus. So it's just got to have to do with room temperature being luke tepid. So let's give this a stir. One thing I'll tell you, when you microwave noodles and broth, boy, it's hot. Don't give this to a little kid. People do it all the time, though. 3-year-old, here you go, Jimmy. And then they tried to bring a lawsuit against companies that had cups that were of this design. and decided that it was the company's fault for making cups like this. It's just ridiculous. It's like, no, you can't do that. You really can't do that. It's irresponsible. It's a horrible thing to do. Even though the cups say don't do that, you know, caution, contents are hot. Keep away from small children. And then they blame the company for it. It's like, dude, the noodle. Get this broth and try it. I'm getting a little heat. Salty, chickeny, and then a little ping of spiciness. Speaking of spiciness, where is it? There it is. Check this out. Flamin' Hot Mountain Dew. This is weird stuff. My buddy, the Fat Hipster, look him up on YouTube. He's got a cool channel. He tried this and he said it just tasted like heartburn. And it tastes like orange Mountain Dew. And then you get this like weird back of your throat hit, kind of like chemically heat, and it's wrong. This doesn't have that, but that, yeah, that's a weird thing. I don't think anybody's gonna make that their daily beverage. Yeah, we're gonna get a case of the Flamin' Hot Mountain Dew. You really want that? No, you don't. It's an interesting phenomenon, but it's not a real thing. I mean, it's a real thing, but it's not really meant to be like something that people are going to enjoy on a regular basis forever. I don't think. But this could be. You could eat this a lot. Especially if you are of the vegan persuasion. That's fine. Because it's vegetarian. Oh, not anymore. That's okay. But it does have a nice chicken flavor to it, even though it is not with real chicken until I put it in. But and then we got some peppers. These are violently spicy peppers. This'll put hair on your eyeballs. Oh, come, get, behave. No, behave, right there. I want you right there. So I've started watching my buddy Stumpy from North Little Rock, Arkansas. Hey, Stumpy. He turned me on to Twitch TV. I've never checked it out, and there's some ridiculous stuff on there. But I wonder if my flavor of ridiculous would do well on there. I do have a plethora of cameras and such. I'm thinking maybe I'll give that a try. You guys want to watch me live doing this? I don't know. I don't know that I would, but somebody might. It could be an experience, a happening, a deal. So we got that. I think a little pepper flake would suffice. Which I need to get more of. This natural crushed red pepper. I just got a cough. I don't like that. Anyways, let's get rotating. thanks for watching. Yeah, I'll be doing a little bit more of this Ramen Express stuff. I think I got 2 more I got to review. I think there's just a regular spicy shrimp and a spicy beef, and those will be coming up next. And then God only knows what. I've got a ton of noodles over there to try. So, yeah, I'll look into that Twitch thing and I'll let you know. So, yeah, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.